Hi everybody, this is Shobhit Walia, and in this video we will talk about GitHub Actions. So GitHub provide a way in which you can create a workflow. So workflow is same like a CI/CD integration, and you can create this type of workflow inside your repository. So you can customize, execute software developments inside your repository with the help of this GitHub action. So let me quickly show you a use case in which we can use this GitHub action, right? So firstly I'm going to show you the project which I have created. So this is a very simple project which I have created. This is a console application. Inside this I have only one method, and if you see this one method, so this is a method which I have created, just an add method over here, and this is one of the another unit test cases which I have added. So inside this unit test cases I'm just wrote the unit test case for that particular method. So this is the two project which I have created inside the solution, right? So I have pushed this project inside my Git repository, and let me quickly open that. So here, yeah, so here my repository, and you can see over here this is the GitHub project, and this is a project which I have created, and it is over here, right? So I need to set up a unit test integration inside my repository. So what I need to do in that case, I'll do using GitHub action. So very first thing, you need to click on the actions over here. Once you click on that, you will see there is no workflow created as of now, so you need to click on the new workflow button over here, and once you click on there, you will see there are lots of predefined templates which you can choose. So there are lots of way in which if this is a desktop application, there is a Node.js, there is ECS, whatever, right? So this is my console application, simple, so I'll just go with that, and this is the workflow for the console application. So basically it provides me a template, a predefined template. I can use it, I can customize it as. So I just need to click on set up this workflow, and so it will create a .NET.yaml file. So this YAML file is responsible for all the workflows, whatever I will do, right? I'll need to specify over here. So let me quickly go one by one. What is this? So this is the name. I can specify any name over here. So on push, so whenever I push anything in the master branch, or maybe when I go for the pull request, then I'll go for master. And there are lots of jobs which I have created. The first one is the build. So build, basically what it'll do, it runs on the Ubuntu latest image, and these are the steps, right? So first it will go for the checkout, and the name is something like that, and after that it will go for the setup for the .NET, and .NET with the version 5.0 and this is the name of this, and you can specify any name over here, restore dependency, whatever. So here in the restore dependency I will execute a command .NET restore. It will restore all the packages, and after that we can go for the build. So this is the name build. We can specify any name over here, but in the command we need to specify appropriate command. So here we can specify .NET build, and this is for the test, and this is a command for running the unit test cases in the normal mode, right? You can modify as per your requirement over here. Once you do that, you just need to click on start commit. So once you commit it, so it will create a file, .NET.yaml file. So if you have a file, then it will basically ask you, okay, this file is already there, so please choose with a different name. So here I have created a file. So this is the file which I have created, right? .NET, and this is my previous file which I have created for my demo purpose, previous one, and now this is the another one which I have created, right? So now I need to click on that. When I click on that, I can see the data over here, and okay, so as of now I'm good. I just need to execute it, right? So for executing it, you just need to click on actions. So over here you can see I have two actions, right? So I have created these actions previously, just for few minutes back, and this is the create .NET YAML file, and here if I click on that, you will see the jobs, you will see the summary, right? So its status is success, and inside the jobs you can see this is a build. You need to click on that, right? So once you click on that, you will see the names, right? So names which is specified in the YAML file: setup job, restore dependency, build, test, whatever, right? And these steps are been executed. And if you see over here, if you see in the logs, then basically it will go with this command which we have specified in the YAML file, and this is done. And after that you will see one test case is been passed, right? So this is the way in which we can create GitHub actions, and this GitHub action will execute it automatically when we push something into the branch. So let me show you how we can, push something, right? So let me quickly do one changes in this project. So this is the method. Instead of plus, I'll go over. So in that case, if I execute it, you will see my test cases will failing, right? Because my code has been changed and it's not working properly, right? So what I'll do right now is I'll just go with and push my changes. So let me quickly open it. The git status is there. So this is the file which I just need to push only this particular file. So okay, instead of changing anything, I'll just push it git add git push. Okay, I need to fetch first. Okay, git push. Right, so git commit -m change method git push. So changes has been pushed over here. If you I just need to refresh it over here. If you see, whenever my change is pushed, you will see this is executed. Why this is executed 2 times? Because I have 2 YAML file, right? So let me quickly open this. So this time it would fail, right? Because my method is changed and my unit test case is not fixed. So let me quickly open over here. So you will see setup is there, everything is going fine, build is there, and inside the test it should fail over here, right? So let me check. Yeah, so you can see over here the test has been failed, right? So this is something you can do in your project with the help of this GitHub action. If you want to ask any question on that, you can email me on my email ID. You can find my email ID in the description. And if you like my videos, if you like my work, please subscribe my channel. Yeah, thank you for watching this video.